Good morning, family. Sunday morning. How's everybody doing? Hi guys. What a beautiful day in Durban. What a beautiful day. Tell me what you guys doing today. You can drop a question if you want to. But how's everybody doing? We had such rainy weather here in Durban for like 4 or 5 days, and then it was raining this morning, then suddenly the rain cleared up, and now it's like humid, literally you're so humid. But we have a big week ahead of us. Big week. Big week. Tap me guys, tell me. How's everybody doing? What's the plan for the Sunday? What's the plans? What's the goals for the week? I know this week I have a few goals that I want to achieve and I want to get done. And let me just share something real quick. Every week I don't have the same goals. I do not have the same goals every week. Every single week I set out new goals. So the goal that I had last week is not the same goals that I would have this week. Each week, entirely new goals I set for myself. It could be the smallest thing, it could be the most minute thing, it could be the biggest thing. But every single week it's a new thing that I want to achieve. You see, the most important thing in life as a human being is that you do not stay stagnant. And the meaning of stagnant means something that does not move. So stagnant means a tree that is just in one position, or anything that just stays or grows in one position. That is stagnancy. And one thing that I always do not want to fall into is a position of being a stagnant person. And I believe today that many of you may feel like you are stagnant. So if you are stagnant, one of the easiest things that you can do is not do the same things you did yesterday, or don't do the same things that you did last week or the week before or the month before or the year before. Stagnancy is what deprives a person of moving forward. So what I've chosen for my life and the way I've chosen to live my life is that I chose not to be a stagnant person. Each week, no matter what has happened previously, no matter how big accomplishments we have achieved previously in the previous weeks or days, I start off each new week on a new slate, because I do not want to be a stagnant person. I do not want to be a person who lives in the past. I do not want to be a person who's a one-hit wonder. And you see that many of us today, the biggest issue that we have is that we are one-hit wonders, which means we can only grow an account, a trading account, once off, and then we blow for the next 2 years. We achieve something once off and then we can't do it again. It's because what happens is when you do something, or when you take a step forward, you then get too comfortable, and that is called the comfort zone. And with the comfort zone comes stagnancy, and that's something that many of us fall prey to, and that deprives us from moving forward. So coming back to it, guys, one thing, a quick nugget that I could drop to you is that each week don't do the same things. Each week do something different. Get a different hairstyle, walk differently, talk differently, dress differently, carry out yourself differently. Do something different. It may be the biggest thing that you want to change and do different. It may be the smallest thing that you would want to do different, but do something different. If you want to see change, the first thing that you do is that you start doing things differently. And when you start doing things differently, you will not be a one-hit wonder. Don't fall into that category. Don't fall into that category where people just say, or you just feel like, you know what, I could only do it once, I can never do it again. But I want to tell you today that you can have success over and over again. You can have success day in and day out. You can have success hour in and hour out. You can have success by the minute. But it all starts with doing something different in your life. If you do the same things, you will fall into the same trap that you did yesterday. You will not progress. You will fall into the comfort zone. But if you take that stand and say that today, in the week ahead, in the month ahead, in the new year ahead, I want to do something different, you will see change. So have a blessed day, guys. Stay safe. Happy Sunday. J Money, I'm out.